Hey you guys, we are back, and we are, tomorrow it will be 6 weeks since Lisa got life flighted. How you feeling?
I feel a lot better than I did way back when, that's for sure.
Oh my gosh.
I'm out, you know, it's limited, but I'm out, so that's a good thing.
You've been home for
just over a week, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, this is Thursday, October 13th. So now you guys are getting this pretty much real time. I was like about 3 weeks ahead, you know, with videos. But now we're pretty much real time. This is Thursday. You're going to see this on Saturday. So, like, yeah. So it was a week ago. Tuesday when she came home. But she's doing so good with her walker, with her getting dressed, just doing household stuff, which has been good therapy for her. She doesn't start official therapy for another week or two, but anyway, we are headed up to Cave Creek to pay for the wedding chapel. Yeah, the wedding's coming up here real quick, about 3 more weeks. We're gonna pay for that, and we're gonna grab something to eat. So come along with us.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of an ocean that I could be.
Okay, guys, we're going to a place called Big Earls Greasy Eats. Right here. Been on a couple food channels. Come on in with us. Okay, what'd you get?
I got the Swiss and mushroom chicken burger.
Swiss mushroom chicken, order of fries, and I got the blackened chicken. I've had that here before. It's pretty good. So
These look real good.
let's dig in. Okay, how was it? Looks like you didn't like it.
I hated it. It was very good.
You destroyed it.
It was delicious.
Mine was good too. All right, let's go to the chapel.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, here is the wedding chapel, right here. That was Evelyn that just drove by. She got us all signed up, so we're good to go in a couple weeks here. There's Black Mountain. Beautiful, such a beautiful area. Cave Creek. Okay, yeah, no, this was a short video. We're gonna keep kicking on videos every Saturday, Lord willing. So anyway, we love you guys. Appreciate all the prayers and support for Lisa and me. We praise God for this, and we thank you guys. Please hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so you can get notified for our videos. Love you guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye. See you then.